3,500 here. And it just feels like once we get past that, you know, barrier, the you know, the difficult part where we actually have some good symbols, it dies. Just dies. And that's when we need those big multipliers, big collectors, and everything else. Just 2 or 3 times, and then then it's over 1 million. Kidding me? Shit. Oh, nice. Expanding these 2, nice. So we got 3 reels expand, full expand, right? Yo, yeah, yeah. Okay, unlock, unlock, unlock now. Come on. Don't leave me out here in the cold. Unlock, unlock. 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 Oh. Yep. We still have guest to balance everything. We have all the channels on Discord as usual, but you have to verify your account or verify yeah, your account on Discord. So we get rid of all the cheaters. Everything says on Discord. If you take a look, nice 5x, beautiful, beautiful. Come on now, come on now. Collect that one, collect that one, collect that. Oh, nice. Collect that one now. Unlock that one, collect that one, expand that one. Come on, come on, come on. $10,000 here, beautiful. Come on. Multiply this. Oh, multiply that one. Multiply. Oh, you could have gone there. Fine. We'll get to you. We'll get to that part. Unlock that one there. Come on. Multiply this one here. Multiply that one. Multiply that one. Save us. We still have a reel we haven't. Jesus. Just unlock that one. We still haven't. And expand that one for a max potential here now. Come on. Thank you. Come on. There you go. 2x. Beautiful. There you go, baby. Yes. Yes! 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 And now you collect this! Now you collect this! There you go, and boom! Boom! And now you unlock that one and you collect everything you got there, you goddamn rat, you snake, you will save us, you goddamn snake! You're a snake! 495,000, man. You're a goddamn snake! Alright, here we go. Open up your golden satchels. Oh, shit. Come on. Oh no, why didn't you connect? Why didn't you connect? More coins? Oh no. Oh! Wow! What is that? What is that? Yes! 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 Oh! 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 In your face! In your face! Ah, hate watchers! In your face! In your goddamn face! Oh! That. Here we go. Woo! 3. Oh! Chat! Absolutely no pog policy remains. Alright? Alright? NPP remains. One more. Chat! I don't want to hear it. I don't. I don't want to see it. NPP, we cannot celebrate too soon. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just one more. Just one more. Come on, just one more. Skip. One more. One more. One more. One. Oh, just one more. Just one more. Just one more. Just one more. Yes! 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 2 spins now! Oh my god! We got 3 spins! Oh! Oh! Come on! Can we get 2 more? Can we get 2 more? Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh! Oh! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh! Okay, here we go with the last spin. What is that? 73,000 now. Come on! Oh! What is that? What is that? 145,377! Yes! Finally! Finally! Oh! Look. Open up your golden side. Just finally we're hitting something. Down. Oh, nice. +1. I'm gonna close it off here. Whoa. Down. +1, +1, +1. Down here. Down. Right, good. +1, +1. Okay, good. Down, down. Good. Come on, connect, connect, connect. Jump down now, jump down. Jump down. Give me +1. Good. Come on now, come on now. Here we go. Give me a gold coin here now. Give me a gold coin. Oh. Come on. Oh my god, here we go. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. We got 2 multipliers here now. We got. Oh my god, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on now. Come on. Gold coin. Oh, that's 100x. Just that with the multipliers here. Good. Go left and go left. All right, fine. +1 now, please. +1. Oh, oh. All right, come on. Oh, nice. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Oh shit. 368,000. Holy shit. And we, oh wow, that was pretty cool. Number 6 now, okay. I can see this one, it's a cozy bonus buy this game. I can definitely buy 100 bonuses here. It was a long time when I you know, did that bonus buy 100 bonus buys. Last time I did that was Money Train 2, right? Or maybe I should do it. I don't know. I have a. After I. Oh wow. After I saw the 54,000x win on Fire in the Hole, kind of see some potential in that one. Oh no! Full weight with the red or blue? Are you kidding me? That could have been huge. Oh wow! Hey! It's not a full way. What is that? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20... Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! 94,000! And it's not even a full way! It's not even a full way! Oh shit! On a $30 bet! Chat, I think we're gonna do this. I think we're gonna do this.